Hey you guys, here with another video. As you can see, we have flipped around our camera setting a little bit, still figuring out, you know, the production and everything, the lighting, and I was like, okay, we'll try natural light this time. This last time we used a lamp, but anyways, I'm excited because today we're gonna be doing the cherry cola look. I've been seeing it on YouTube Shorts. I've seen it on Pinterest.
Yeah?
Your mouth is moving a lot like a rat. Yappa, 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 yappa.
And it's really cute. Excuse my dried mango. But honestly, I just put you on. Dried mango, beautiful snack. A few years ago, I made a lip combo tutorial. And I called it a plum lip look, but I guess we're calling it the black cherry now. Like, whatever. Anyways, so I'm gonna be recreating that look today, that lip combo. And then doing a little, you know, makeup to go with it. So, anyways, looking forward to doing that. And let's get into it. So for this first part, what I'm gonna do is just kind of line my lips with black pencil all the way around, and honestly just fill it in. Just go in with fully black. I'm gonna blend it like that. Hold on, why does it kind of give already? Then I'm gonna go in with some red. This is Monte Carlo, and it's the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. They also have a really spectacular velvet matte lipstick that I also love. And as you can see, we kind of already have like that dark lip. I love it. I love it. I just feel like, I know we're approaching spring, but it's still cold over here, so it's still giving winter, you know, moody, tonal, whatnot. So yeah, and then we're just gonna go over it with this nude gloss. It's glittery, sparkly, fantabulous realness. And that's that. Also, I just tried this face mask, and I'm not sure if my skin's liking it or not. I just put it on a few hours ago, but it's like the Rasul clay mask or something. This is off topic, but I just hope it doesn't, I don't know, I think my skin is reacting pretty well to it so far. So let's just hope it stays that way. Anyway, so going in, we're gonna start off doing a wing liner, and I'm just drag that out. Hold on, why did it come out so snatched? Not me being surprised. Anyways, but yeah, so honestly, but yes, I did that to the other eye. The liner is giving. Hold on, because I don't even do like a whole lot of eyeliner usually on a day-to-day basis. I'm usually just kind of like a mascara, maybe a soft little smoky line wing or whatever. But let me, hold on, I change my aesthetic every few months anyway, so I guess this is just the next stop, which is fine with me. I want everything to be kind of like tonal, like I said, so now I'm gonna go in with like this brown pencil. And you know what's crazy? The reason I'm using pencil right now is because I don't have an eyeshadow palette with me right now because I am currently not at my residence, and guess who left their stuff behind? But anyways, gonna blend that out here. Like so, like that. And then we're gonna use that same pencil to fill in eyebrows gently. as I always emphasize. For blush, I'm just gonna use that same red lip color from earlier. Place it on the high apples of the cheeks and just blend that out. And then here are the lashes with the eyeliner. Very subtle, cute. I made a video about how to do the lashes, very simple and natural. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peep the lips. The glitter is giving. It's simply giving. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys